Hello everyone, welcome to next section of our video. So as we have seen in our previous section, we executed the app in the already integrated Android emulator which comes integrated with the Android Studio. So in this I'll show you to run the app in the GenyMotion, which is another emulator for Android device, which we have already discussed in our previous videos. And the most important benefit which I told you was of using a GenyMotion emulator is that the Android emulator which comes integrated with the Android Studio is a little bit slow, and you don't get all the different mobile devices to run your code, because in today's world it's like there are many thousands of mobile devices available in the market, and as an individual developer it really becomes difficult for you to go and purchase all those mobile devices and test your app to how it looks in all those mobile devices. So GenyMotion is the best option, or a good emulator where you can get all at least major mobile devices and their versions, and when you can test it out how your mobile looks in those devices, how your code runs in those devices. And in GenyMotion you'll be able to run your code more faster and in all different mobile screens. So it is always better whenever you develop your app, you test it in your GenyMotion emulator, because you get different mobile option for that. So let's go and see how we'll execute this in a GenyMotion device. So as we have already integrated this GenyMotion over here, this is the GenyMotion device manager. So I'll just open this one. So as we have already configured Samsung Galaxy S6 phone over here with the API level 23, that is for all the Marshmallow 6 devices. This will execute my app in the Samsung Galaxy S6. If you want to add any more as well, you can go to new option and you will be able to see different mobile devices from here. Since here only one is available, so you can see over here there are different mobile Nexus mobiles, HTC, Motorola, Samsung Galaxy S3, S4. So that's what I was telling you. So you have various options to test your app in different mobile devices and get an understanding how exactly your app looks, and if there is some bug or some error running it in some devices, you can just fix it without making it live. So for now we'll just testing it in a Samsung Galaxy device. So we'll just start it up and see how our app looks in a GenyMotion emulator, that is Samsung Galaxy S6 mobile. So we'll just wait for the virtual machine to start up. So this is my GenyMotion emulator is starting up. It will take some time for the first time to launch, and afterwards whenever you launch it, it will automatically take up the apps. So this is Android is starting. Since this is our first app we are developing, so I am showing it in all possible options wherever you can run and execute the apps. In the future apps I'll not show you about launching it in all the mobile devices, and maybe we can do it on your own. So we'll just minimize this and make our app start off over here. So as you can see, our emulator is already started. So what we can do, we can go back to our app, run it, and we can see we have two options. One is for the Android emulator which comes integrated with the Studio, other is the GenyMotion. This one device, we'll just click on GenyMotion 1 and we'll click on OK, and we'll just wait for the Gradle build. So it's installing the APK, we can see over here, and launching the activity. So this is our application comes up in a Samsung Galaxy S6 mobile, and you can see the difference. When I run the same app in an emulator, this button size and all this were little bit compact and how it was coming, and how when we run this in a Samsung Galaxy device, it's like this type of it comes up. So when I click on this, so I got this fruit's name. Again I click on this, I got this. So see the font size and all this changes as per the mobile device. So this is the most important benefit of testing your app in any kind of a GenyMotion device. So you get the actual real feel how your device will look in your actual mobile devices. When I again click on this, I'll see the different fruits name. So this is how executing your app in a GenyMotion device. Now this, since we have seen a end-to-end app, the development, the execution of the app. Now in my coming section of videos, I'll discuss about some more advanced level app, publishing the app in the Android Google Play, and about monetization. Many other things we'll be just seeing in our next section of videos. So thank you, and let's see you in the next section.